Hey y'all, it's Nancy from Jolie Blanc Creations. I just wanted to share with you today a new business venture that I am going to be representing. It's called Couture. Some of you may not have heard of it before. I found it on YouTube. Just a couple of people that I follow on YouTube or designers for Couture. So I figured it looked like fun and I joined last week. So I got my starter kit in and I just wanted to share with you what comes in your starter kit today. First of all, we do get a 12-pack of thank you cards. You get 4 of each design. This one, it just says, it's real cute, it says cute matters. The insides are blank and the back just has the Couture logo. I'm sorry if this is backwards for you. My camera, of course, the only way I can use it, shows it backwards for now. This one says, make every day a work of art. Again, blank inside and the Couture logo. And this one says, do more of what makes you happy. Blank inside, Couture logo. These are just, you can send them to customers, or if you just want to send them to a friend, a little pick-me-up. They do come with envelopes. Next thing, this is, I haven't opened it yet, but it's an apron so that you can wear your apron while you're working with your chalk paste to protect your clothing. Or, you know, if you're doing shows or craft shows or demonstrations, make and takes, that sort of thing. So there's an apron. Now I want to go through the paste that you get. The Chalkology paste. It is washable paste. I'm going to definitely, once I get into doing it, I'm going to definitely post some videos on different projects and things that I'm doing, and I'll share a bunch of stuff. Be sure to go like my Facebook page. I'll have a bunch of stuff on Facebook. This one is called Couture Teal, and it's just a teal color, and that's kind of their signature color. We've got Candy Apple, which is red. Bright White. This one's kind of a moss green color. It's called Garden Herb. And this one's like a gray. It's called Storm. So these are the 5 chalk paste you get in your starter kit. You also get the current catalog. I have the Autumn Winter Collection 2018 that shows everything available. Before I go into the transfers, the stencils that you get, this is a boutique board. It is 10 inches round. It's the chalk, and it also has the little rope that you can hook onto this to hang it. And you also get a squeegee for your paste or your ink or whatever you're doing. And you also get this board with the frame. I'm assuming I'm going to do a lot of projects on this board because this is pretty much going to be my practice board. Okay, so now I want to show you all of the, I call them stencils. I'm not sure exactly what they're called at the moment, but I'm going to call them stencils. And what they are is, they're basically like a screen print. The part where the chalk goes through has a really fine screen on it, and we'll get more into that as I do more videos and as I learn more about it. So I just wanted to show you which stencils come in the welcome kit. So this one is Love with the little heart. We have this one that spells create, and you see these little lines here? That's cutting lines. So you could cut these apart and use these different letters in any form that you'd like to use them, any shape or whatever. This one is home where you would use the one of the little wreaths as the O. This one's my Happy Masterpiece. I can do hard things. Here's a holiday one. It's got the little tree, it's got peace, joy, bells, ho ho ho, the dove, snowflakes, candy canes, self-explanatory. Here is the Couture with the logo, more for the business side. Farm Sweet, little rooster, some leaves, that kind of thing. Okay, so you also get a folder and a little designer startup guide that pretty much explains it all. And I also, of course this did not come in the kit, but I also kind of went to the Dollar Tree and bought just a couple of things. A spray bottle for water for when you're cleaning off your boards, some baby wipes to clean with, and a towel that I'm going to strictly use to defuzz my stencils because they are sticky on one side. And we'll get more into that. I just kind of wanted to show you what I was going to be starting and what came in my kit. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also, I will put links in the description to my Facebook pages. So thanks, y'all. Have a good day.